guys, what is up? Welcome back to another vlog and welcome to the first official moving vlog. So beyond excited right now. I've been waiting for this moment and it's here and I literally can't believe it. It is Today, April 28th today. We get the keys on Friday. I'm gonna take you guys through the next few days of like packing and everything that comes with closing on the house. And then Friday, when we get the keys, I'm gonna do an empty house tour in our second moving vlog. So this is just gonna be a bunch of packing and I'm gonna take you guys through our lawyer appointment as well as our final walkthrough just so I can kind of really showcase all that comes with moving. You guys know that I asked you guys on Instagram for some moving questions the other day and I had a ton of questions about like, how do you close on a house? What finances are involved in closing on a house? Like what appointments do you have to close the house? So I figured I'd take you guys through kind of everything so you guys can see. It's 11:30 right now and I have a ton of packing to do today. We've been kind of slowly packing throughout the week, but I've kind of hit a point now where I'm like, okay, I need to put like the stuff in the kitchen away. Like we're not going to use much in the next 2 days, especially since Matt and I both work. So we're going to get as much packing done today as we can. Because I work this evening and then tomorrow we have our lawyer appointment, our final walkthrough, and then I go to work, so we don't have much time to do anything tomorrow. So we're gonna have a fun day of packing. I can't wait to take you guys along. This is the current status of the office. It's kind of where we're storing all the boxes. We've just kind of been taking them from here. Stella obviously needs to be involved. Hi! So yeah, there's just so many boxes. And then everything kind of in here is already in boxes, which is nice. We can just like take that and go. And then down here, I mean, I can pretty much start packing all of this stuff up. Like we're not gonna need all of these glasses for like the next 2 days. So I'm gonna pack up the rest of the kitchen stuff today and then start to put kind of like our decor pieces away. And yeah, like start to put like this stuff away, the plant, and then I wanna take those down today. Cart looks so empty. I stopped at Starbucks this morning, so I got a grande cold brew with a splash of oat milk if anyone cares, but I need to actually clear this all off because I'm gonna list it on Facebook Marketplace because I bought a new one and I'll show you guys because we have a lot more space in the new house. Also don't mind the broom. And this is kind of like short and stubby. So I wanted one that was just like longer and skinnier so it didn't like look as awkward. So I'll show you guys the one I got. I got it on Wayfair because they're having a huge sale for the next 2 days, but by the time you see this, it'll be over. But I need to just post a picture of this. Guys, this is what we ended up getting for the bar cart. I'm really excited about it because it has the shelf on the side. I just feel like when we have the cups and the mugs on the actual coffee cart, it just looks like cluttered. So I really love this because we're gonna put all of our coffee cups down here, and I'm kind of sad it doesn't have a drawer because I really wanted something with a drawer, but that's okay. I think this is a really great way to store our coffee mugs and have it like not look cluttered, and it's definitely a lot taller and more narrow than our current one, which we really like, and I got it on sale and I'm really excited. So that comes on Tuesday. I've already ordered it and everything, but I'm really excited about that. Today's vlog, I want to say a huge thank you to realtor.ca for sponsoring today's video. It's an amazing website. They have so many tools and resources for anyone buying their first home, buying their second and third home, just looking to kind of get into the housing market and learn about it and learn what steps you should take there. It is such an amazing website. Anyway, realtor.ca is Canada's largest real estate website, so that's where most people, including ourselves, found our house. I vividly remember spending every morning on realtor.ca looking for houses. That's where all of the real estate listings are. So it has a special place in my heart, and I still remember seeing our house on realtor.ca for the first time and being like, oh my gosh, we need to go see that house ASAP. And here we are 2 days away from moving in, but they are so much more than real estate listings. Super thankful for all the resources that realtor.ca has, from finding a realtor to their checklist to their calculators. You guys may remember I actually chatted about their affordability calculator and their mortgage calculator back when I was answering finance questions when we first got our offer accepted on the house. We ended up figuring out kind of what was a comfortable amount for us in terms of going into our bank appointment for pre-approval. They have so many great resources. They have all the steps that you need to buy your first house, checklists. Anyways, we used their home buyer roadmap, which is a printable PDF that kind of takes you through navigating the home buying process, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. Anyway, Stella wanted to come in and say that she's really excited to have a house now, thanks to realtor.ca. Anyways, as first-time homebuyers, I honestly don't think we could have done it without realtor.ca. From finding our realtor, finding our house, using all of their calculators and checklists, they truly made the house buying process so easy and seamless, and I highly recommend to absolutely everyone. I tell anyone who can listen that realtor.ca is so much more than just real estate listings. Everyone at work right now that's buying a house, I tell them all about their calculators and their checklists and the roadmap. It's just, they have just so many amazing resources. Realtor.ca also has the Meet a Realtor part of their website where you can can get yourself in contact with realtors in specific areas by name, by office. It's such a great platform. That's to say a huge thank you to realtor.ca for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check them out for everything that you guys need in terms of buying your first home, your second home, your third home. They make it so seamless and easy and have so many amazing resources. I know so many of you guys are also in Ontario and other parts of Canada and DM me and say that you are about to look for your first house, you are looking for your first house, or you're looking to find an investment property, and realtor.ca has all the resources that you need. Thank you once again to them for sponsoring today's video, and without further ado, let's start packing for the house that we found on realtor.ca. On today's to-do list, I'm gonna try and pack up all of my clothes, pack up the kitchen a little bit, and pack up some decor. So that's the plan, and then if I can get more done, I'll get more done, but that's at least the minimum what I want to do. We also have this cupboard to pack up too, which I've been putting off because this is like a lot of snacky stuff, but once again, I'm not baking in the next few days. The only things I really need to leave out are like protein bars and then coconut oil for Stella, but I think everything else can probably go away, and if we need it, we've been just keeping the ones for the kitchen here in case we like need anything from them, but so far we haven't really needed anything. Can't do this without some Disney music. Wanted to show you guys, it looks so funny, but we did all of our plates in between tea towel layers just to like, we had to pack them anyway, so I have all of our plates in here. I left us like 2 small plates and 2 big plates, which looks really sad, but I work evening, like I'm not going to eat at home until we move basically. So yeah, that's that. And then I'm gonna leave like these little plastic bowls out, and then I left us like 4 mugs, which we won't need because none of us are home, we're working. And then I need to pack up the wine glasses, which I'm a little scared of, but we're gonna do that now. Okay guys, I obviously had to take off a layer. It was getting really warm, but I packed up most of the kitchen, but I need a break from the kitchen. I need to pack something else, so I'm gonna do the bathroom in our room now. I'm gonna pack up like all my purses and try and figure out what I'm gonna wear for work the next few days so that I can pack everything else up. But like my shorts and stuff I can pack because it's not warm enough here to wear them. So I'm gonna pack up most of the bathroom in my room and then probably call it a day and then try and relax for the last little bit. But we got a lot packed. We got like 4 or 5 boxes of kitchen stuff packed, so that's awesome. But now, change of scenery, different room. Let's do it. Okay guys, packed up a box of stuff. I emptied out this, and then I just put everything we use on a daily basis in this. That way, like Saturday morning when it's time to move, we can just like put this in a box, kind of like, you know, when you're traveling, you leave stuff out to last minute. Also really random, and I'm sure you guys know this, but one tip I have is to utilize storage that you have. Like, this is like a travel makeup thing, and I just put all my makeup on it and I hung it there. And then I put some jewelry in there and Apple Watch bands, and then I just put all my jewelry into this travel case, and then I'm leaving this out for the toothbrushes and stuff, and then just let that out, and then kind of random stuff in there. But it's getting so empty. And then obviously same thing, like shower stuff, we're not probably gonna empty until like Friday night, because it's 2:30. I need to start getting ready for work. This is the current setup in the kitchen. I took everything off the bar cart because someone messaged me that they want it, so they're gonna come get it tomorrow, which is amazing. Boxes are full. This is like stuff we have to give away. Okay, this is obviously not I really like the setup on the counter. I don't know why. I just think it's like nice. But that's where the espresso is for now. But I just kind of like it, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. So that's there. We have a cute puppy. Did you help mommy pack and supervise today? Yeah? Are you a good girl? So those are kind of like the little updates. I really needed to shoot an Instagram campaign today, but it's pouring rain outside. Like, that's why I originally got ready today, is because I was gonna take a break from packing and shoot an Instagram campaign. Every day I've tried to shoot this Instagram campaign last week, it has rained or snowed. I feel so bad. Luckily it's not due for a few more weeks. I just want to get ahead with moving and stuff, but it's pouring outside. I also posted in like our little condo Facebook group asking for flyers, and a bunch of people are gonna give me their flyers, which is amazing. So I'm gonna go pick some of those up like on my way to work. On the way out I'll grab people's flyers, but I'm just gonna get ready and head to work now. I might pack some stuff tonight, kind of just depends on my energy level, but yeah, otherwise we'll keep packing tomorrow morning probably, and then maybe after work tomorrow. I'm excited to see it empty because I have some layouts for like my office in my head, and I just want to see the space again so I can figure out where stuff's gonna go. You know what I mean? So I'm excited for that, and I'll also let you guys know how everything goes tomorrow, keep you guys updated. But yeah, if I pack tonight I'll pick up the camera, and if not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning guys, happy Thursday. It is 10. Today's an exciting day. We have our lawyer appointment, and then we're also going to go do our final walkthrough, which is obviously super exciting because like I said yesterday, we haven't seen the house empty. We just thought with this like lady's furniture. And then I work this afternoon, and then I think I'm just going to end up packing probably tonight, because we don't have any time today. We woke up at 9. It's 10. Our lawyer appointment's in like 20 minutes. So that's what's going on today. But yeah, I'm so sleepy. I haven't even finished my coffee. Did you guys see the giant like lump that came out of my cold foam this morning? It was so funny. I was like waiting for the aesthetic like cold foam pour, and then it came out in a giant clump. Also, this is the only mug or cup that we have this morning. That's what's going on. I didn't end up packing yesterday evening. I just like kind of wasn't really in the mood. So I'm gonna pack probably tonight at work. So maybe I'll pack up a little bit. I'll have like a glass of wine and just like power through it. But I'll give you guys a little outfit of the day. We weren't really sure, like, do you have to dress up for a lawyer appointment over Zoom? I don't know, but I'm just wearing this Ana Luisa necklace, earrings. I love these ones so much. And then I'm just wearing just like a oversized airy tee with some Old Navy jeans that I wore yesterday. I don't know, I tried to like dress it up a little, but yeah, that's like my little morning update. So we should get out of our lawyer meeting around like 11:30, and then we have to leave at like noon to get to the house. So that's kind of our day today. It's probably like the least exciting of the moving stuff, but it's stuff that has to be done and stuff that I have to vlog and take you guys along for. So that is that. Good morning. I am still sleepy. Chat with you guys after our lawyer appointment. Hey guys, it is 11:55. I didn't really vlog after our lawyer meeting, but it went well. It was just like a lot of like lawyer lingo, you know what I mean? But we had to rush and come to the bank before our final walkthrough because Matt and I were dumb and didn't realize that we had to transfer the money for the down payment into the lawyer's bank account. Like, I feel like that's obvious, but obviously your first time buying a house, you literally have like no idea. And so we had to come to the bank. We had to like rush after our appointment because I work at 2 and our walkthrough is from 12:30 to like 1:15, 1:30. So we didn't have time to come after. So we had to like rush and come before. And Matt's inside now because I transferred my funds to him so he can just do it all from one bank account. And so he's doing that, and then we're gonna get like a, I don't really know what it is, like a bank note or something, and we have to go transfer that to the lawyer's trust fund so he can pay the seller tomorrow morning. In terms of closing, they said typically between 1 and 3. They have to like legally write 6 p.m. or something on it or whatever. He just said that's like a standard. But he said between 1 and 3. I work till 3:30, so like we can't go after anyways, and I'm kind of happy I work because I feel like I would just be anxious all day, like looking forward to it. So I'm kind of happy that I have to go to work, which is good. And it's also my last day of work. So I'm excited about that. So going on, like I said, it's not like a very exciting day. I mean, it's exciting to see our house, but it's like a lot of like formalities and legalities today, you know? So that's what we're doing. I'm also so stupid, and I had made myself a note in my planner to blur out our house address this morning before I uploaded the video, and I completely forgot. So then I just had to private it, and I'm gonna have to re-upload it when we get back home. So that's exciting. Pretty are all these flowers that are outside of the mall. Here comes the bank paper and all. Chilling in our backyard. On a scale from 1 to 10, how excited are you right now? Excited. 11 on 10. Look at our cute little backyard. We can have a little garden. Almost 2. I was just not even gonna vlog the rest of the day today because it's just so chaotic. But I think this is like a genuine inside view of what my life is like right now. And so I think it's important to vlog. You guys know I always say that, but I just think it's important to keep it real. I don't want you guys to think today's just been a cool, calm, and collected day, because it's been absolutely mayhem. And yeah, so stop at the LCBO because we don't have any Hidden Sparrows is in Ottawa finally, which is exciting, which is Caitlin Bristow's wine. And then I also curbside ordered like some champagne to pop for the house tomorrow. So I'm picking that up because I won't have time after work because they close at 8. And yeah, so I'm gonna go to work. I'll probably honestly get to work for like 2:30, honestly. I'll probably get there early, which is fine. Today's video, I forgot to blur out our address, so I had to take it down after edit it and then put it up. And then I also need to get this video edited and sent off for approval because it's due tomorrow. And I also have to pack up our whole house tonight. So it's just like a very chaotic day, honestly. But yeah, it's fine. It is what it is. Like, I ideally shouldn't have worked today because I have so much to freaking do, but it's fine. We're gonna roll with the punches. I might need a coffee or a Diet Coke or something, but we're gonna get it done. And I'm just trying to like not stress too much. It's gonna all work out. It's gonna be okay. I knew it was gonna be a crazy day today. I just didn't think it would be like this on the go. Like, I haven't even eaten and it's 2 o'clock. Like, I just haven't had the chance to eat. I'll show you guys what we end up getting. So that's my update. We secured the bag. I'll show you guys. I am so excited to try it. It's definitely a bit pricier for wine. I think it was $22, but I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm literally so excited to have this tonight. Got Matt and I like a little bottle of champagne to pop tomorrow. This was like the cheapest one I could find, and it's like a good little size because I think if we have a big one, it's just gonna be too much, and it's only us drinking it because we're in a stay-at-home order. So this is the one we got, Santa Margherita Prosecco. It's an Italian wine. So anyways, that's that. So that's that. Now I need to go pick up lunch and head to work because I have no food in our house. So okay guys, I think I'm gonna go grab like a burrito bowl or something. I'm just like in the mood for some veggies. We don't have anything left in our house, like no produce, anything. It is so bare in our fridge. All we have is, we didn't have cold brew. We finished that this morning. So I'm gonna go pick up probably like a burrito bowl just because I just really want some veggies, honestly. And then I'm gonna head to work. And yeah, so wine secured. Let's go get some food. You guys, just got me a burrito. I don't usually get a combo, but since we have no food, I was like, yeah, I will, I'll take the food. So got a blackberry bubbly. I've never had that one. And then I just got some chips and pico. And then this is my bowl. It just has a green base, pulled pork, corn, pico de gallo, cilantro, guac, and chipotle sauce. So yummy. I'm gonna have that when I get to work. and now we're gonna go to work. To actually head to work now, it's 2:13, so I'll be there by 2:30, and I'll chat with you guys after work when we head home to pack. But this day has just been straight chaos, honestly.